Oh man, I'm so excited to finally plan my first gaming PC build. Wait, where's the GPUs at? Where's all the good parts at?
Hey, I have a PC build ready to go for you, and it uses parts you can actually buy.
What are you... Who are... Actually, yeah, I kind of do want to see this build. So where's this PC...
It's that one right there!
I mean, it does look really nice, but can you get any of these parts?
Yeah, you can. It's not gonna be super high-end, but you can. But we're gonna talk about that
after a word from today's sponsor.
Listen, building a gaming PC is only part of the process. Once you finish planning your perfect gaming PC build to get the best price performance, you need to make sure to install and activate Windows 11 with today's video sponsor, gvgmall. If you guys have been watching us for a while now, you know gvgmall is our go-to way to save money on activating Windows. You know, getting the best price performance you can out of your gaming PC. It is super simple to get a Windows key from gvgmall. Use our link in the description down below to find the Windows 11 key. Use code TB20 on checkout to save even more money, upping your price to performance game. Then you'll get a copy of the key sent straight to you. Take that key, throw it into a Windows 11 PC of your choice during the install process or after the install is done, and boom, you now have an activated Windows 11 with access of all the features it has to offer. Guys, friends don't let friends run unactivated Windows. Don't build the perfect gaming PC only to leave your PC unactivated. Use our link down below and use code TB20 on checkout, and you'll save some money on your Windows activation. Big thanks again to gvgmall for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video, shall we?
All right guys, we've been telling you time and time again, take advantage of the Newegg combos, because this right here is the Ryzen 7 5700X, which is an awesome 8-core 16-thread CPU that we end up getting for around $179, and wait until you hear the combo discounts that we got with it. But before we talk about the combo savings, we do have to talk about how we're going to cool that CPU, and this right here is the ID Cooling Frozn A410 Black. We like the 410 because it's the full 120mm version, and this is just a super sleek cooler, especially if you're not super into the major lighting and RGB stuff out there. Now this is the first part of the Newegg combo that we got. This right here is an MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi that ended up being around $90 after the discount, and you can see it's a pretty decent board. It's a little more on the budget side, but you do have 4 RAM slots. We do have a little bit of VRM coverage, so we got an 8-pin for the CPU, and we definitely have some PCIe and NVMe expansion, so it's really not a bad board for the price, and it's Gen 4 of course. Now talking about some major savings, $2 off of this Western Digital 1TB SN 580. Yeah, not the biggest discount there, but coming in at $63, it's a pretty good price for a pretty decent speed Gen 4 SSD. Now here's the savings y'all been waiting for. This RAM was free in the Newegg combo. This is 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX 3200 MHz DDR4. It's 2x16, so it's dual channel. It's some pretty good stuff. It's even CL16 rated, so you really can't beat free RAM in this build.
Now for the graphics card, this is a card we've been recommending a lot of people pick up, especially in these GPU shortages right now. This is the RX 7600, coming in at $270. Sometimes they go on sale for as cheap as $259, but in the midst of the shortages, they are getting a little more expensive. 8 gigs of VRAM, it's a very nice card. This Gigabyte model is a 3-fin design, so it's gonna look really nice in the case we're using in this build. And all in all, it's a really awesome 1080p high settings graphics card and can stretch into 1440p in some games using FSR upscaling. Now this build's gonna be incredibly power efficient based on the hardware we chose, so really all we need is the Segotep 650 80+ gold power supply. We could probably get away with a 500 watt unit if we wanted to as well, but this is our go-to unit for PCBros.tech, our PC selling business, and also our PCs here on the Toasty Bros channel. We love using these power supplies, been really solid for the price, and coming in at $49 on Amazon right now, or Newegg if you want to pick one up. It's pretty good price to performance. Now speaking of a product that we've been really loving here recently, this is the Okinos Cypress 3, which comes with a wood panel design, has these 2 wood strips up front which look really solid. It comes with 4 fans pre-installed. They're not RGB, so RGB lovers, you may not want this build, but if you are somebody who doesn't care too much about RGB and wants really cool aesthetics and also good performance, coming in at $52, this case makes this build really awesome value for the money, and it's micro ATX with tempered glass. So can't really go wrong with this case, and you can't really go wrong with this build. And I'm gonna let you know a little secret. One of you at home have a chance to win this PC, and we'll talk more about that after we build it and benchmark it. But yeah, go ahead and build this gaming PC and then dive into those benchmarks, show you guys what this system is capable of.
All right, guys, we're playing Marvel Rivals, currently running 1920 by 1080p, quality FSR, and we're on medium preset. Oh my God, my team needs me. They need me.
Get him.
Yeah, this is definitely a build that'll be able to do Marvel Rivals pretty well, honestly. It could go lower settings to get over, well, we are getting over 100 FPS now. But if you want like that constant, you know, like high refresh rate, I'd probably say low settings would get you there. Yeah, no, we're looking pretty good, getting decent for Marvel Rivals standards, response times and everything.
Using 20 gigs of RAM.
That's why
Typical.
32. That's
32,
why 32.
baby. Oh. That's a lockup.
Where am I?
Whoa. Wait a minute. All right,
Wait a minute.
That was a weird lockup.
It's first render, ideally, you know, first game.
Yeah, first game.
If that keeps happening, we got a problem, Houston.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, I'm horrible. Oh wait, I cut the thing alive. That's all that matters. Get away from me.
Oh no.
I'm gonna come back up here and make it nasty. Okay. Well, we're not gonna let you die this time, Groot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get away. Okay, Groot, you're probably gonna die here. I just thought about. I probably could. You know, I should pull her out of the room like that. You know. God. No, get away. We're definitely using like all of our wattage. Oh, get off me. What is this? Why is he holding on to me like that? I should have saved that ult. Kind of just solo ult.
He baited you into it.
Yeah, he baited me.
He said, I did it. You see what I did?
Okay, guys, point to. Oh, where it? It was valiant effort, but the PC did. I mean, it did pretty decent. I do think this game still needs some optimization, but at the price point that we're at, we're still getting pretty good performance.
Let's try another demanding game. All right, guys, we are in Spider-Man 2, currently running a little 1440p action. We're using FSR, no frame gen right now. We'll try a frame gen, don't you worry. Running quality on high settings. Definitely when we're playing AAA titles like this and we're doing a more mid-range to budget gaming PC, FSR, you're definitely gonna want. I did do some research because one of our viewers commented this. This game, when it was released on console, was definitely designed with frame gen in mind. So a lot of little stutters you might see on certain systems is because when you don't have frame gen enabled, there's just some slight micro stutters. It just happens. So
are you forcing your fake frames on us?
you know, they might be forcing your fake frames, guys. I'm just saying. But we'll go over here. We have a branding attack. Oh boy, I wonder what that's all about. Oh God. And yeah, just see we swing around really quick. The FPS does drop to the 40s, but now that we're here, everything is beautiful.
Yay. We're getting the console experience.
Yeah, we're basically getting the console experience again. Did you shoot fire at me? Oh goodness, I'm actually gonna die. Oh! Guys, do not use fire. Fire's bad. Oh! Yeah, take the box. Take the, whatever that was. Oh! Take this again. And, oh, I think he's done. And I just threw out a wall for no reason. I gotta say,
What is this guy doing?
Oh, the civilian is scared. I gotta take him to an ambulance. But before we do that, let's change the settings real quick, shall we? So we'll change, let's just go do some frame gen. I mean, why not? Let's see what frame gen looks like. Okay,
Pretty good.
Okay, don't look too bad. Again, we're on high settings, 1440p. VRAM's about 7.4 gigs, so this is playable. And it's one of those things where, again, when you're playing this on console, you're getting a sense of frame gen already, so, you know, might as well. A little bit of stutter, there's a little stutter moment right there, but for a game that's this demanding and this new on PC, for a PC at this price range, 7600 is pretty impressive doing it, so keep swinging around so you guys get a better idea.
What the heck?
There you go. You can take them. There you go, buddy.
It's in a very efficient ambulance. They're just sitting there.
Yeah, I just sit there until Spider-Man brings me stuff. Looking pretty good, not too bad. So yeah, I would say if I was running this, I would do 1440p, or you could just do 1080p native and a definite 80 to 90 to 100 FPS, no problems. But yeah, 1440p is possible using some FSR and frame gen, and we'll show you guys what else is possible doing with some other games. We got Black Myth Wukong, we got Horizon Forbidden West, we got our 3D Mark score, and then the most important part, guys, we gotta tell you all how you have a chance to win this PC, because yeah, you might be able to win it if you want a free PC. That's the best price performance there. Let's go ahead and run those benchmarks and wrap this video up real quick. Oh God.
Okay guys, we just got done benchmarking this awesome, pretty cheap budget gaming PC that you can actually build right now amongst this massive GPU crisis.
And this PC is great for 1080p, but can also stretch into 1440p, and we ran a couple other games on top of the ones we already tested to show you guys what it's capable of. We ran Black Myth Wukong 1080p medium settings with FSR FrameGen, got crazy FPS averages, 158 average, a max of 177, a minimum of 38. FrameGen, not very necessary with this right now, but if you want crazy high FPS, you can. We also ran Horizon Forbidden West at 1440p with FSR FrameGen. We got 90 FPS. And I'll have Jackson tell you about that 3D Mark score.
And in 3D Mark Time Spy, we got a score of 10,807, which is a 7 cent per point score, which at our channel is pretty good.
As you guys mentioned, you have a chance to win this gaming PC on March 14th over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros. We'll be giving away this gaming PC along with a bunch of other gift cards and have a really fun live stream. If you guys haven't seen, we do stream on Twitch very regularly, so go follow the Twitch using the link down below. And if you guys just want to build this yourselves because you're like, hey, that's an awesome gaming PC, you can also use those links in the description down below. They are affiliate links. They will help us out. Let us know what you think of this $750 PC in the comments down below.
As always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Now, if you don't win this PC and you don't want to build your own PC, check out PCBros.tech because we got plenty more PCs just like this one.
We saw a lot of awesome gaming PCs for you guys at home, but don't want to build one and want a 1-year warranty with peace of mind. Use code ToastyBros on checkout. They'll save 3% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Bye-bye.